Now we do want to have some of this out of here. We want to clean up the eyebrows and any marks on the skin here. So we are going to get to these moles, but I'm still keeping the same healing brush tool, and I'm alt left clicking on clean sources, and which I'm trying to do. And I'm trying to make sure I'm not leaving circular pressure marks as well. And we're just going to clean up the skin a little bit. We don't want it we don't want to have it completely too perfect, because then it's going to start looking not as realistic. Although we are sampling from areas of the same side from her, we do just want to clean it up, right? We want to give people a really good, confident photo. And I had to just undo that one there. All right. Controls, nope. Okay, that's good. And I'm alt left clicking as we go through on cleaner sources here, cleaning up by her lips. There's a pressure mark. I went back. I eliminated the pressure mark. Look at that. Right? Okay. We're going to move on to other parts of her face that we can kind of clean up here. And we don't want to be too picky, but we do just want to get any of the big spots out here. You know? And as you see, we continue down the bridge of the nose, and then we blend it in. All right. Blend that down. That's good. It's good. All right. Right. It's good. All right. And once again, continue with any moles that you feel. No, you don't have to eliminate all of them, just the ones that are really sticking out on the photo. And this goes the same for any scars. And we're just going to work our way down here. Alt left click, alt left click, alt left click. Right. And you go over them a couple times, and then make sure you don't have, like similar identifying marks duplicated. Like cover up these spots as well. All with this one simple tool, right? And that keeps the skin texture. It preserves it really well, actually. And unlike other tools where they might not, this is a really good way. All right, we're just going to check the rest out. Okay, looking good. Now, if we wanted to, we can come back and do the same thing with fly hair. But with this one, I feel like it's natural. It's, she's wet. She's out of the water here. This is fine. I'm okay with these fly hairs. If I was going to eliminate them, I would just go through that same process and select parts of this background. However, I feel this is fine. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom out and get a look. Okay.